G'day, I'm Matt from Wood Custom Woodwork, and today I'm going to show you how to put together your custom-made cello stand. So this is what you'll need to put your cello stand together. The pieces of the cello, obviously. You'll need some masking tape or tape. You'll need the glue that was packed in with your cello stand, and you'll need something to weigh it down. A bag of rice, a couple of bags of flour, something soft but with a little bit of weight to it. So the first thing you'll want to do is to turn over the base of the cello stand. The rounded corners are on the upside, and then to take some tape and to put tape over the two holes, because we're going to put glue in the other side of that, and the tape's just going to stop the glue from running through the holes. So then you're going to take some of the glue, a little paintbrush or even a pop stick or something like that, and just paint it inside the holes. You want to just cover the edges of the hole with the glue and probably fill up around about the bottom quarter to bottom third of the hole with glue. And then you also want to paint a little bit of glue around the pegs on the bottom of the top of the stand. Not too much glue, just paint a little bit on both sides. And then putting it together is as simple as pressing the top into the base. Reasonably firmly. You don't need to hit it with a hammer or anything. It should just push in reasonably firmly. You want to make sure that you get a little bit of glue squeeze out around the base, and then just take a damp sponge and wipe any of the excess glue away. And then once you've got it firmly in place, just grab that bag of rice or those couple of bags of flour and sit them gently on the cello stand. And then you want to leave it at least 24 hours for the glue to really set and to really dry. Hey, thanks for watching. We really love to see our cello stands in action. So if you've got a photo of your cello stand, make sure you post it and you tag us. We're at Wood Custom Woodwork on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks again, and enjoy your Wood Custom Woodwork cello stand.